Good afternoon, Peter from the Saltwater Edge, and we've had the albies around for actually quite a while, but we haven't had big sustained feeds, only on rare occasion, and it's a frustration to a lot of the spin guys as some of the hoagie jigs and things like that, the bigger lures which you can cast, aren't doing a very good job imitating some of the really small bait. This bait called snot bait is really less than an inch and very translucent, and one of the solutions to that is to use a casting egg. And eggs come in two sizes, an ounce, and the large is a 2 ounce. And the way you would rig it is to use probably some fluorocarbon at this point because you're already working with super small flies. And then a series of flies, maybe an epoxy style fly like Popovic's, a very exact imitation of some of the smaller baits, or a bunny fly, which is probably the best one when the bait's super tiny because there's just a lot of life built into the fly and it looks like a lot of things versus a specific thing. And then to fish it, it's a simple matter of loading the egg up, making a good cast, and then regular retrieves. The egg itself bounces around on the surface. There's a lot of action in the fly behind it, but it's a great way to deliver a small imitation like a bunny fly or like a redgill. Another example, we have the redgills in black, white, and this silver pearl. But another item you could deliver with a casting egg. Here's how you rig it. The smaller end of the egg goes to the reel, and the heavier end of the egg gets the leader. This is just backing so you can see it, and then to the fly, probably 2 to 3 feet. The thing to avoid is a weighted fly, like a clouser minnow, because there's weight in the eyes and that'll cause it to tumble. You want to avoid that. Typically a setup like this will cast just fine. If you find tumblings occurring, that's what this nail's for, and you hook the fly on the nail and cast that as a unit. Certainly a pain in the neck, but one of the ways to avoid that is to avoid a weighted fly. But this is a great way to deliver small imitation to fussy fish a long distance. The eggs are available at Saltwater Edge in, again, large is 2 ounce and the small is 1 ounce. All right, hope that helps.